Hello everybody, my name is Larson. I'm a 50-year-old car enthusiast and I'm here with my 1968 Cadillac Eldorado, and I'm here with NAPA's BodyPro Polymer Cleaning Wax. It's in a 500 milliliter plastic container. It's safe for all types of finishes, including base coat, clear coat. Very long lasting, protects against UV and salt, and it's designed to remove light oxidization and light scratches in your clear coat. The reason why I picked this product is my car has some very light scratches in the clear coat, and I'm hoping that this product here will remove those scratches, protect my paint, and give it a nice, smooth, shiny feel and look. Before we use it, let's give it a shake. Open up the cap, apply a little bit onto a damp terry cloth rag, rub it onto the paint. Make sure you're not in the sun, I'm in the shade. Nice cool surface to rub the polymer cleaning wax onto in circular motions. And with the second terry cloth, as it's drying into light haze, comes off very easily, very nice. It does go on easily, it does come off easily, and I did have some light scratches in the clear coat here, and I see it has removed. Very nice. I highly recommend this product here. It's NAPA's BodyPro Polymer Cleaning Wax. It's a finishing compound, comes in a 500 milliliter bottle. This is the kind of product you want to put on to protect the paint. You can pick it up from your local NAPA store. Give it a try. I highly recommend it. Thank you.